This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, August the 10th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some thunderstorms over the plain states, Nebraska, Kansas, down into Oklahoma and far north Texas. The monsoon continues over the desert southwest, and some cloudiness with some storms over the eastern half of the country. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Severe thunderstorm watches from the plains of Nebraska and eastern Colorado through Kansas, Oklahoma, and parts of Texas, with several severe thunderstorm warnings there during the evening and overnight. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows the main band of heavy rain to fall over Nebraska, Kansas, down into the Ozarks, Arkansas, and into the deep south. About a quarter to half an inch over the state. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a west-east flow across the country with no real ridge or trough action. With that, where the heaviest rain band you saw in the QPF chart will be where the most precipitation will be tomorrow, over Nebraska, Kansas, down into southwestern Missouri and northern Arkansas, and over the east coast. We head into Thursday. Rain still mainly south of the state, with some isolated activity to the north and west of the state, with a new storm system that will be coming in on Friday, as you can see here, where we could see some showers and thunderstorms with the cold front moving in from the west and northwest. Highs during this time will be in the mid to upper 70s to near 80. Saturday, model is a bit slow on this. Likely this will be morning showers, especially east of I-35, otherwise then decreasing clouds and maybe some sunshine late in the day. But Sunday we pretty much know will be dry, pleasant, mostly sunny, highs around 80. A great day to go to Des Moines to the State Fair or any other weekend activity you might have. Monday, high pressure over Chicago. The winds begin to turn southerly. The warm air begins to filter back in, with highs maybe in the lower to possibly middle 80s. Tuesday, that high moves very slowly. Now it's over about Fort Wayne. Some southerly winds, maybe a pop-up shower or storm over the far northwest. Otherwise, it'll remain in the 80s. A week from today, we see a bit of a system over the Dakotas into Minnesota with a west-east flow across the country. And with that, we could see some stormy weather with some showers and thunderstorms moving in a week from today. And highs will be likely in the lower to middle 80s. We move further into Voodoo, August the 21st, the last day of the state fair. A vortex over Saskatchewan with a ridge over the center part of the country. And with that, we could see some showers and storms with a very occluded front. And there's a tropical system which could pose an interest if this pans out. And at the end of the forecast on August the 25th, main storm track is back over Canada and then diving into the New England states with a ridge over Colorado and Utah. And what does that mean? That could mean some warm weather and little chance of any precipitation across the state nearing the end of the month of August. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.